Hey, what's up, everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I finally got into continuing work on the Ewok. I've been dying to do so, and finally I got some more work done, some more detail done on him. It's nowhere near finished, but it's continuing the detail, continuing to put some like details on the fur and everything and all that, and the way he's holding the spear as well as the spear itself. It's going to be an awesome piece. I can't wait to put the glaze on it. See you guys next time. And in other news, for 100 Mondays, I also finished this piece finally, and on Saturday it goes to its new home. And it's finally ready to go. It's glazed and everything. It's acrylic on canvas board. And I'm glad to be over and done with this so I can move on to other things. See you guys next time.